this, that, these and those. Hello children! Today we will learn how to use of this and that. This is Sheru. Sheru is a dog. And that is Nikhil. Nikhil is a boy. Can you tell me why we used this for Sheru and that for Nikhil? Because Sheru is standing near us and Nikhil is playing far away.
We use the word this to point to one thing, animal or person near us. We use the word that to point to one thing, animal or person far from us. Let's look at some examples.
This is a car and that is a plane. This is a tree and that is the sun. This is a ball and that is a cat. This is a pole and that is a building.
Now you know how to use this and that.
These are duckling. Those are pine trees. See you in the next video.